Getting back to the movement, I inspected a couple of the parts, and on the chime side, this ratchet wheel wasn't turning, and that is because inside this ratchet wheel there are tabs that go into slots, and if the tabs are bent too much, it will not turn freely. So I bent those to allow the ratchet wheel to work. This is again on the strike side. You put the chains on and you're supposed to be able to wind the clock up. But if this wheel doesn't turn, then you're not going to be able to wind the clock up, and it will cause you to break some of the chains. So now I can wind the wheel. I know the clock was working when I gave it to my sister for Christmas. I don't know if this happened when she dropped the clock today or what's going on. On the great wheel on the time side, this plastic gear has got a crack in it. I don't know if you could see the crack. Let's see if I can get closer so you could see. There's a crack right there. Now these are compression fitting on, but they're not supposed to have a crack in them. So I'm going to try to glue this plastic wheel and see if I can prevent that crack from continuing, or I'm going to replace it. So, but make sure you inspect all the parts prior to putting it back together, because you want to make sure that your clock is going to run properly.